And she sit up there?
Did this thing with it too. But they closed the room.
Whoa. What? Who broke on what? We get it from. Right here. The wire is used close to the stove.